Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Caddy Girl Garage. So today is the day to get the Pontiac cleaned up and get it online for sale. My contact information will be here in the video if you guys are interested. It is a pretty rare hearse. I've done some research the last couple nights. It's a Superior. They're very hard to come by. But first of all, today we're just going to get started with cleaning it up because nobody can even see what we've got here. It's just super filthy. So it's been under a tree for many, many years. I'm going to start with the bumpers and use the famous SOS pads. So I was just commenting though a little bit ago that these bumpers are much easier than Cadillacs. They have a lot less going on. So it shouldn't take too long, but I'll put you guys on fast forward anyway so you're not bored. Thanks for joining the video. Also, for everybody asking, the 58 coupe is officially gone. That one's going to be going to Poland to be restored and loved. All right, here we go. And before we get started too, I just wanted to say before anybody has a fit about me just spraying the car and getting everything wet, as you can see, this is what we're working with. You're literally not going to hurt anything. You could soak the entire interior of this car. There's not much left. It really doesn't matter at this point. So that is why I'm just going to spray everything down and get everything nice and clean. I might even spray out the back here because, as you can see, due to some rust repair issues that need to be done, the floor has already been cut out. So obviously your water is just going to go right out. So easiest kind of car in the world to clean. I love these kind of jobs when you don't have, you know, a lot of interior to focus on and worry about. But as you can see, I mean, we're just thick with dust, dirt, mud, just crud everywhere. But take a look at this though. The frame and everything of this car is just super, super solid. I'm guessing it was always a California car. Yes, there's some issues with the floors, but I mean, when you look at the gas tank, you know, it's not rusty. Now, granted, people are going to criticize me for what I just said. Yes, the gas tank will have to be hot tanked and cleaned out before anybody could ever use it again functionally. But, you know, I've seen cars where obviously they're just so rusty that, you know, you're dealing with holes in the gas tank and everything like that. But with this one, at least, you do not have that issue. And like I said, I'm just going to take my hose and just start spraying this thing out. Have a little bit of rust right here. Very, very minimal, about the size less than my hand. But just nothing but dirt. So, gotta get the hose busy. So I'm going to open up all the doors and just start spraying everything. It's nice and cool outside today, so we don't have to worry about our glass temperature here. Obviously, because you never want to crack, you know, curved glass like that. You'll never find it again. Especially these back windows. So, just literally a good wash job will take care of this car. right, everybody, time for it to drip dry a little bit, and then I'm gonna come back out here later and get some pictures. It will be officially for sale tonight. Thanks for watching, you guys. As always, thank you for supporting my channel. Don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, or hype button at the end. It greatly helps the channel. Have a blessed one, everybody. Take care.